Hi guys, and welcome to the multiplication table generator that is developed in Python using a for loop. Okay, that's it right there. Let me show you guys how to put one of these together. So I'm going to start by, first of all, I will print out the title. So let's come in here and just say print, open a bracket. Then I'm going to enter new line. That's how we define our new line. And I will add 3 tabs. One tab, two tab, and the third tab. And next, I will just enter multiplication table generator. There we go. Close that up. There. Now, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to add an underline to this my title. So copy that and just paste it right underneath there. And get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this, the new line. Then right here, I will add a speech mark and then add a plus sign to concatenate the next activity, which is going to be an underline. Here we go. Concatenate that, and then I will multiply it, then enter link the following. So what I want you to link is the multiplication table generator. So let's add a speech mark in there. There we go. Then right at the end of it here, I'm going to add another plus sign and just add a new line. There we go. Close the bracket. Because I have one bracket here. One open, two open, one close, and one close. There we go. Then let's say for I in a range of I in range, and that range is going to be from 1 to 13, so which means it's going to generate 1 to 12. Next, I've just copied that. I'll come down here, paste another one. I will change this one to J. There we go. So one we actually generate 1 to 12 horizontally, and this one we generate it vertically. Okay, so now let's come right down here and print out as follows. So I'm just going to ask you to print. This F that I just entered will convert whatever I put in there into a string character. So I'll say I, multiply that by J, and column, let's say 5, yeah, 5 spacing, and I'm going to close that up, comma, let's end that to be equals new. Space, then close the brackets, come right down here and just say print and enter parentheses there. There we go. So I'm going to save that and we'll try that out. Save as. So I'm going to call it multiplication or for loop multiplication. There we go. Save that. And let's run it now. We'll go straight into run. There we go. Look at that, guys. Okay, and that's how you create your own multiplication table generator in Python. Let me show you guys the lines of codes again. Look at that. Okay, very simple. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and bye for now.